Want to harness the power of the sun in Andhra Pradesh? Here's your step-by-step guide to getting a rooftop solar subsidy. First things first, you need to check your eligibility. Are you a homeowner in Andhra Pradesh? Great, you're already on the right track. Next, head over to the official website of the New and Renewable Energy Development Corporation of Andhra Pradesh, or NREDCAP. Here, you'll find all the forms and detailed guidelines. Fill out the application form carefully. You'll need to provide some personal details, information about your property, and your current electricity consumption. Don't forget to attach the necessary documents. These usually include a proof of residence, recent electricity bills, and the ownership documents for your property. Once you've submitted your application, it's a waiting game. Approval can take a few weeks, so patience is key. Meanwhile, start scouting for certified solar installers in your area. And just like that, you're on your way to generating your own clean green energy. Lower bills, less impact on the environment, and all with a little help from the sun.